Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change border thickness of text in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to change text border thickness. Firstly, write some text. Then select the text and go to the insert menu. Then click word art drop down menu and choose any word art. Then select the word art text and go to the format menu. Then click text outline and choose the wide and change the border thickness. Now we can see here we change the border thickness very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.